pag bako, ma'am, bako, makay ka.
Uwan yung diri sa ako ng mic.
Mommy.
Go there.
Oh, look over there.
May big fish. Hindi siya maka... Wala, nice dire ulit, bo.
Excuse.
What fish is that ulit?
I saw a stingray.
What's that?
I saw blackfish and a stingray.
Yeah. Okay, sit down here. Okay, I will take a picture. Dali.
Here. Ayun po ba ko, anak? Stand straight. Here, anak. Smile lang, smile.
Don't do... Ano ba?
Smile.
Ano imong hen? Imong fit isa, ana. Ana. Go. Picture naman diha lab. Diha lang.
Smile ulit.
Pero nga imong angkos. Saan na siya?
Eel.
What's that, Olive?
Eel.
Eel?
Yeah, it's a tiny eel.
Why are they just stuck there? They're like little.
This one.
Diri nak, diri sa anak.
Let's explore. Let's go there.
Wow.
It's over there. Mommy, look it over
Mura sa kong air ang sigana sa kong kamera.
Wait lang, Olive. You need to wait.
to explore some more fish. Come on.